Hi, my name is Ramna. My personal blog is .netiq.com. Go to the .netiq.com and like us on Facebook or subscribe for my YouTube channel to receive my latest videos. Coming to today's topic, how do you truncate a table using entity framework? Basically, how you execute a truncate statement at the entity framework side. For that, I'm going to use the existing database. That means I created a one database name called practice. It has 3 tables and 1 stored procedure. So if you see, I'm going to use the table employee. It already has 3 records, and I'm going to truncate this table. So for that, first I created a console application using the framework 4.0. I created this console application in framework 4.0, and at this moment it has only program.cs file. Nothing is implemented. I'm going to add a entity data model. Right click right click on a project file and select add and select the new item and select the edu.net entity data model. I am giving the name for this edmxi file is practice sample, and click enter. Here you have two options. One is generate from database and empty model. I am selecting the generate from database because I already have a database is created. So I'm creating the entity model for the existing database, and here already have a connection string. I selected that, and the connection string name is going to be the practice entities. Click next, and here you have an option to select the tables and stored procedures. I'm selecting everything, tables and stored procedures, and click finish. It's going to generate a entity data model. If you see, it has 3 entities it's created: teacher, student and employee, and stored procedure is also there, but for each stored procedure you need to create a function. But we are going to discuss about how to truncate table. So for that, first you need to add a namespace using system.data.entity, and you need to create a db context data context object, db context object. Here it is going to be the practice entities, pe equal to new practice entities, and if you see pe dot execute execute store command. Using this you can truncate the table. That means that you can execute any SQL command directly using the execute store command. So the truncate table is also one of the SQL command, SQL statement, tsql statement, truncate table and give the table name. I'm going to execute this. It's going to return an integer. That integer is going to tell that this command execution is successful or failure. Here I'm going to console dot read. I'm going to print some statement. Command executed, and console dot read line to pause the cursor here. So now if you see, still you see that there are 3 records. After the execution you might see the 0 records. Okay, command executed, and if you go to the, see, there is no record. Means there were truncate statement executed successfully, and it's truncated all the records. I will come up with a new topic in my next video. Thank you. Bye.